CAPD hosts speakers, panels, networking events, and workshops. Some of these are offered directly by employers and are a great opportunity to explore and connect with others to aid with your career development. Here is some information about how to find events on Handshake. First, go to the events section of Handshake. Here, you can search through different events. Many events require registration in advance, so make sure you sign up. Some events are employer-sponsored and are listed on Handshake only because they may be of interest to members of the MIT community. The inclusion of any activity does not indicate MIT sponsorship or endorsement of that activity or event. If you sign up and realize later that due to a conflict you are no longer able to participate, remember to either remove your registration or email the organizer to let them know that you will no longer be able to attend. Some events may be capped, so releasing your spot may help a fellow student be able to participate. What would you like to learn about next? Select the item below to jump to that page.